This video tells you how to create new users for your company employees. Every employee who is going to use a Reslink app needs user credentials. So watch this video to create new users for them. To create a new user, go to the Define Users menu and click Add New. Here we have to fill in user information. The required fields are marked in bold, real name and email. Then there's username generated automatically, but you can change it to whatever you want. Password is also auto-generated and will send the user a password reset link later. Reslink users can have access to the mobile app or to the web service or to both of them. Typically, regular employees have only mobile access, so if you're creating a user for a regular employee, choose mobile as an entry point. Managers need access to both the mobile and web service, so choose Web and Mobile and then select Manager user level here. So these were mandatory fields. Basically, you can already click Save. But now let's have a look at other useful fields in this form that you might need to fill in. Here are the user details, such as phone number and address, that you might want to enter and keep for information purposes. Language and general settings. It sets the language for the app and the web service. Time zone in the mobile settings section. This is important information for the Reslink system, especially, for example, if you want to track time and attendance. Make sure that the time zone is set correctly. That's it. The user is now created. There's only one thing left. Send the password reset link so that the employee can create a password. Let's go to the user section. Choose the user and click the email button. As soon as the user receives the email and creates a new password, they will be able to log into the Reslink platform. Now you know how to create a user for your mobile employee. To learn more, check out the Reslink platform documentation at docs.reslink.fi. If you have any questions, contact us at support@reslink.fi.